So my father and I were talking a few weeks ago about religion, and I just remembered it now because I watched something related to it. So we were talking about religion. He was trying to convince me that a certain religion is the right religion. Siya ay Catholic, and so he's trying to convince me na Catholic ang tamang religion. And binanggit niya rin na ang Iglesia ni Cristo ay ang tamang religion. And so, syempre, I'm a born again Christian, pero I'm not really into religion so much. I don't care kung anong denomination kakabilang, because in our church, what we offer is a relationship to Jesus. Yun dapat ang maging focus ng religion. It's already 2025. Bakit nakafocus pa rin tayo sa pag-convince sa bawat isa na mayroong tamang religion? And if your religion, kung ang kinabibilangan mong denomination ay sinasabi pa rin na this is the right religion, girl, bro, you have to run. It's already 2025. The Jesus is just around the corner. Bakit tayo nakafocus pa rin doon? We have to encourage everyone, especially yung mga unsaved. We have to encourage them to have a personal relationship with Jesus. A personal relationship with God. Not religion. Hindi yun yung focus, hindi yun yung goal. Ay.